So your headlights are looking a little foggy and you're looking for what to do. Today we're going to be trying out a new cordless polisher and some Meguiar's products to see if we can clear up this Jeep headlight. As you can see, we already did one of them looking nice. So we'll show you how we did this. This is the Niusken cordless polisher. It's 21 volt, comes with a bunch of different pads and cloths and different stuff in the package with it. It's on sale right now. You can check out the link below. We got the polisher. The polisher has Velcro on the pad. It is random orbitable and has an on and off switch right on at different speeds. So we're going to test it out. It's 21 volt. The batteries slide on. They're a lot like the DeWalt style battery, but they don't use the DeWalt charger. The batteries are a little bit lighter weight and they plug in directly into the battery. They don't have a charger that they mount on. So let's go ahead and try this one out and see how it does as we clear up these headlights. So we're going to be using the Meguiar's PlastX. This is specifically for different plastic products. We put a little bit on the headlight there, and then we're going to go ahead and turn on the polisher. On off button right there. Then you got the speeds right next to the thumb control. We've got the waffle pad on here. We're just going to run it around for a little while, all around the edges. This one's a little tougher to get to because it does have that Angry Bird grill on the Rubicon here. But we're just going to go around this, different edges, different angles, running that PlastX on it and clearing it up pretty nice with just the polish on it. Turn that off, grab the rag, wipe that clean, and it looks pretty good already at this point. Then we're going to grab another Meguiar product that I really like. This is the Quick Wax. Put a little on the rag there. We rub the Quick Wax on and then it cleans it up even more. Polish that out, and this is all in about 5 minutes of polishing using these two different products. We'll put the links down below if you need either of these Meguiar products. We use these on all kinds of stuff, but you got that Niusken Polisher and the Meguiar's products making that headlight look brand new again. Instead of having to replace it, you can just clean it up. This polisher is a great little gift. You can check out a link below if you need any of these products or the polisher. Thanks for watching.